The Young and the Restless reveals for Friday, February 2nd, that Tucker still wants to make a deal with Audra about their plan, but can it all work out? Especially recently when she silently shook hands with Nate with a new purpose. Cole and Victoria knew how badly Jordan was affecting Claire's life, so as soon as they learned of her escape, they try to protect their daughter even more. Meanwhile, Jack will never know what Kyle's trying to take Jabbit from him. Victor will start to pay more attention to things when he needs Nick's support. Claire accidentally discovered the secret that was being hidden, but it seemed she was calmer than everyone thought. Where is Jordan now? There's a lot of information about her not dead yet, and will return soon. The fact that this character died so unexpectedly would not have come easily, and Victoria will strengthen security. And of course, only requiring support from Victor. Currently there hasn't been much damage at the prison. It seems that Jordan caused it and just wanted to make things chaotic to escape. Victoria will discuss this issue carefully to Cole because they need to have countermeasures. And Cole isn't too busy right now and he wants to focus more on his family. Claire will definitely be affected if Jordan still comes to her. And will she even once again return to her aunt's side and make a mistake? Jordan raised Claire at a very young age and that made it easier for her to grasp the niece of hers than anyone else. Victor will find a way to send Jordan back to prison at any time because he clearly understands the problem she caused. And of course, Nick or even Adam can join in to support. Nick also confided in Sharon about this problem because they had been in big trouble before. Victor will also clarify the matter to Nikki in hopes that she will pay more attention, and will definitely send someone to protect her. But Nikki will refuse and affirm that she would limit going out. She's worried that the fact that she met Jack for treatment could be revealed at any time, and Nick also promised to control the situation well. Currently, he still can't leave her to do what he wants. Audra will try to please Tucker, but he's secretly stabbing him behind his back. Surely when Nikki tried to fire her, things between them were no longer simple. We believe that the upcoming plot will be suspenseful, with all the problems be resolved soon. Could Tucker have known about Audra's problems when she tried to be failed and she returned to media? Because now there are more problems between the two of them, and they don't trust each other like before. It even seems like someone is silently observing every move of the two. And after all that has passed, can both of them still find a common voice? Can Kyle successfully protect Jabbit? Because he clearly understands what Tucker is doing. Meanwhile, Jack and Diane also have their own problems and they won't have much time for Kyle. For fans, what storyline do you most look forward to? And what do you expect to happen in your future?